Imagine a teaspoon before bed making a huge difference in your body without you even realizing it. This spoon is a natural formula that works silently throughout the night, regulating blood sugar, burning fat, and lowering cholesterol, all while you sleep soundly. It's not a magic formula, but rather a thoughtful mixture supported by the latest scientific research. Watch with us to discover this magic cup. Let's start with the first magical natural ingredient, cinnamon. It's not just a delicious flavor, but a natural compound that's effective in regulating blood sugar and reducing insulin resistance, balancing blood sugar and fat. Cinnamon contains substances that stimulate blood circulation and stimulate the body's cells to use glucose efficiently, thus slowing down stomach emptying, which reduces post-meal blood sugar spikes. Cinnamon also helps lower triglycerides and harmful cholesterol, making it an ideal ally for health and metabolism. The second ingredient is chia seeds. They are small in size, but they are very beneficial. They are a plant-based source rich in omega-3, which supports heart health, reduces inflammation, and also regulates blood sugar, which improves hormonal balance, especially during sleep. Chia seeds also contain a large amount of soluble fiber, which forms a gel-like substance that slows down the digestion process, giving a feeling of fullness for a long time, which helps with weight loss. At the end of the video, I will tell you the exact ingredients and the method of preparation. But before we start, if you drink cinnamon or chia seeds, press like to know the number of people interested in these types of videos. And if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Now the question is, why take this spoon before bed specifically? Know that eating a mixture of cinnamon and chia seeds before bed gives the body a golden opportunity to burn fat easily during the night as insulin levels in the body decrease and the process of repairing and renewing cells begins. Here, cinnamon and chia intervene to support the metabolism and regulate sugar throughout the hours of sleep, as cinnamon balances the hormones responsible for storing fat, and chia seeds slow the digestion process and prevent nighttime hunger, which works to burn belly fat quietly during sleep, in addition to controlling sugar and cholesterol. This combination improves blood sugar. Cinnamon improves blood sugar levels after meals, and chia seeds slow down sugar absorption and give a feeling of fullness, which reduces overeating. As a result, blood sugar becomes more balanced, hunger pangs increase, and weight control becomes better. When cinnamon and chia combine, they form a natural shield against chronic inflammation associated with obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. This formula reduces silent swelling in the body, improves blood circulation, and restores balance to your cells from within. It's a combination of just two ingredients, but its effects extend to your entire body, from controlling blood sugar levels to burning fat and improving sleep. Now, how does this combination affect sleep? Deep sleep isn't a luxury, it's essential for burning fat and regenerating cells. Chia seeds provide the body with protein and magnesium, which support muscle relaxation and stimulate sleep hormones. The result is deeper sleep and less inflammation, plus an active metabolism that burns fat even while you sleep. Cinnamon also helps calm the nerves and stabilize blood sugar levels at night, reducing sudden awakenings. Now, the preparation method is simple. Bring a cup of warm water, about 250 milliliters, and add half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, about 2 grams. Stir well until the cinnamon dissolves in the water. Then add a teaspoon of chia seeds, about 6 grams. Leave the mixture for 30 minutes until a gel-like substance forms. Then drink the cup an hour before bedtime and enjoy its profound benefits while you sleep. Drink this cup every night for 25 consecutive days before bedtime, then continue drinking it intermittently every 2 or 3 days. After 2 weeks of regular use, experiments and studies have shown a significant reduction in abdominal and buttock circumference, an improvement in fasting blood sugar readings, and a decrease in cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Dear viewers, this was all we have today. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in our comment section, and people who follow us for the first time, subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.